Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we are asked to solve this, or sorry, evaluate this without a calculator. Okay, now this is how we go about it. Okay, I'm going to recopy this. So the question says 9 to the power of 5 plus 9 to the power of 4 plus 9 to the power of 3 plus 9 squared plus 9. So this is what we want to evaluate now. Okay, so first we need to write this as 9 to the power of 4 plus 1, okay, plus 9 to the power of 4 plus 9 to the power of 2 plus 1 plus 9 to the power of 2 plus 9. Now, why are we doing this? So that we can get common factors that we can factorize to make this simpler. Okay, now we are going to apply the law of indices or exponents that states that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, so by applying this, we can actually expand this as what? 9 to the power of 4 multiplied by 9 to the power of 1, which is still 9. And we are still going to apply the same thing here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. If we do that, we have 9 to the power of 4 multiplied by 9 to the power of 1 plus 9 to the power of 4 plus 9 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9 to the power of 1, which is still 9. Let's remove this one, plus 9 to the power of 2, right? Then plus 9. Now we continue. This is equal to, so here we can factorize 9 to the power of 4 out. And when we do that, we have, when this is divided by 9 to the power of 4, we have 9 remaining. Plus when 9 to the power of 4 is divided by 9 to the power of 4, we have 1. Plus, similarly here, we have 9 to the power of 2. When this is divided by this, we have 9 remaining. And when this is divided by itself, we have 1 plus 9. Okay, so if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much. So it's time to write. Since we have the same thing here and here, we are going to pick 1. Okay, so we are going to have 9 plus 1. All right, multiplied by 9 to the power of 4 plus 9 to the power of 2, right? 9 to the power of 4 plus 9 to the power of 2 plus 9. Okay, now we have sorry, this is 9 plus 1. Yeah, so it's correct. So we now have 9 plus 1, okay, multiplied by this 9 to the power of 4 can be written as 9 squared raised to the power of 2, right? So let's make this a block bracket. So this is same thing as 9 squared to the power of 2 plus 9 squared, okay, plus 9. Now I want to bring this here first and this to go to the other side so that we simplify the whole thing. So this is what we have. Now 9 squared means 9 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9 to the power of 2, right? Plus 9 to the power of 2. Now let me bring this on this side. 9 plus 1 plus 9. So let's factorize 9 to the power of 2 from here. So we have 9 to the power of 2. We open our bracket. When this is divided by this, we have 9 to the power of 2 remaining, right? Plus when this is divided by itself, we have 1. So multiplied by 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 9. Okay, now 9 squared will give us 81, right? So multiplied by 81 plus 1 multiplied by 10 plus 9. Now 81, you know the intention is to simplify this, and that is what we are doing. So 81 can be written as 80 plus 1, okay? So we can write this as 80 plus 1, all right? Multiplied by 80 plus 1 plus 1, right? That is it for here. Multiplied by 10 plus 9. Okay, I hope you have clicked the subscription button. Now let's continue. So 80 plus 1 is what we have here. So let's call 80 something. Let 80 be equal to x. So if we do that, we can now write this as what? X plus 1, okay, multiplied by x plus 1 plus 1 will give us 2, multiplied by 10 plus what? 9. Now let's expand this bracket. X times x will give us x squared. X times 2 will give us plus 2x. 1 times x will give us plus x, and plus 1 times plus 1 will give us plus 2. Okay, multiplied by 10 plus 9. Now recall, okay, let's just continue. X squared plus 2x plus x will give us 3x, right? So we'll write 3x, sorry, 3x plus 2, okay? Now multiplied by 10 plus 9. Okay, recall that our x is equal to what? 80. So let's replace it back. So if we do that, we have 80 squared plus what? This 3x becomes 3 multiplied by 80 plus 2. Okay? Alright. Now multiplied by 10 plus 9. Interesting, right? Yes, I believe so. So what is 80 squared? I believe at this point is now simpler. Everybody knows that 80 squared simply means 800 times 8, right? And 800 times 8 is 66,400. Okay, so we are going to write that. So this is what? 6,400. That is 800 times multiplied by itself. 80 times 80, sorry. Now plus 80 times 3 will give us 240 plus 2. Okay, now multiplied by 10 plus 9. Now we have 6,400 plus 240 will give us 6,640, right? Plus 2 will give us 6,642. So we have 6,642 multiplied by 10 plus 9. Now when you multiply anything by 10, all you need to do is to add 10 in front of the number, right? So we are going to have 66,420, okay, plus 9, and this will give us 66,429. Thank you so much for watching. Please recall to subscribe.